Brent, is it working? Brent, is it working for you? Like, you could see the Dota. Brent, is it working? Game. Na. It's live. It's live. Ingay ng Facebook ko. Ah. Chubby, sagot. Yeah, Chubby.
Game na, game na.
Yeah, we're game.
Oh, ba't
Dito-
may voice chat pati in-game?
Tanggalin mo na yung... Yan. Okay, I took out in-game na. No, we use voice chat.
Why?
It's better. Ah. It's better, Chubby. It's better. Chubby, where are you? Turn off your open mic in the in-game.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay guys. Hey guys, welcome. Welcome to semifinals of John Dar Online Dota Arena.
Yeah.
It's Johto Gaming versus, well, technically it's Team Phoenix. And we look to
Yeah,
play a
this...
good game here guys. Both these teams talaga are really have shown that they deserve to be in the semifinals.
I mean, both their teams have been showing a very good performance all throughout the tournament. I mean, sobrang epic nila.
So they look to ban first ban from Johto Gaming is Viper, and his next ban is from Team Phoenix is the Faceless Void. No, I rarely see Faceless Void. Most teams ban him. Most teams really don't want to face against. And the next another ban from Johto Gaming, Tidehunter. They don't like that Tidehunter.
Hindi, kasi ang problema kasi sa wait, Chubby, people are having a hard time hearing you, not me pala. So I just have to fix my audio.
Oh really?
Yeah. Can you guys hear Chubby now? No.
Can you guys? No, no. Hello, hello. Lakas ako ba mic ko? Or what?
Yeah, I think that's okay. I think very dominant yung akin kasi. Wait lang, let me fix it.
Alright, alright.
Hmm. People can hardly hear you though. Fuck.
Oh,
Wait.
really?
Wait, guys. No, it's not you. It's the broadcast. I have to fix it.
Seem
Ah,
weird in a bit.
sige, wala pa naman eh. Panoorin nyo na lang yan, mga
Hello?
kaibigan.
Hello?
Actually, people can hear you. It's just,
Kaibigan.
yours is just really soft. And I could see it.
Okay, wait lang.
Hmm. Hello? Chubigo nga.
Hello, yes.
Wala.
Hello, yes. Hello,
The-
hello.
Doesn't look...
Nothing?
Wait, let me...
Nothing?
Hmm.
What?
Go, talk. Wait lang. Ito nata. I think I found the
Okay.
button. No.
I'm also fixing my mic.
Ah, there. I think they can hear you better now. Ah,
Hello, hello.
There. No, Chubi.
Can they hear me better?
No, Chubi, that's bad. Chubi, bring it back to normal.
What?
Bring it back to kanina. Now
Okay.
you're... Chubi,
I'm
talk.
now too loud.
You're too loud now.
Hello, yes. Hello?
There. Can you guys hear Chubi better?
Okay.
Yun. Okay na daw, okay na. Talk na. Talk.
Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa pagtulong sa mic, adjust ng mic ko. So second pick would be Jugger.
Hindi, Brent.
Mukhang mahihirapan sila sa Jugger dito.
Bakit naman? May silence
Kasi may Skyrath eh.
Oh,
Exactly.
Oh, mahirapan nga si Jog. Kasi pag itong center
Mahihirapan
Warrunner,
si Jug dito.
pag ito na-stun niya, tapos na-silence si Skyrat, mahirapan sila.
Oo. I remember this. Dati nung laro tayo, ganito din, di ba? That two-man combo.
Yeah, actually,
That's
a
how we
center
won
na
our, no, diba?
Skyrath, sobrang sakit niya kasi when center goes for his ulti, and the whole team can go in, and Skyrath can instantly silence someone.
Johto Gaming, I think, is gonna run the same thing. Ang ginawa kasi nila nung tinalo nila yung Regnum is they ran Axe and Skyrath together. Tapos gagawin ni Axe, mag-blink lang siya, mag-call shot, si SS ano yan, patay agad. Same with
Okay.
Invoker. Now Invoker, Sunstrike din. So they're looking to kill heroes really fast talaga. Burst damage to. And with Phoenix lineup, medyo malabo din ang pag-counter nila.
But we see an Invoker pick here. Ano ba, Chubi, pag itong Invoker nag-exhort build, sobrang sakit nito kasi yung Skyrath, pag na-slow niya.
Sobrang sakit nga, may Skyrath eh.
Pag na-slow niya, kung matansya niya lang talaga yung Sunstrike niya, sobrang sakit ng Sunstrike niya. Sige, Chubi, ikaw
may
muna.
setup galing kay Center.
Wait lang,
May
just get
setup
water.
galing kay Center Warrunner.
Wait lang,
Alright.
I get water.
Alright. Okay guys, mga kaibigan, mukhang medyo skeptical ako sa draft ng Phoenix Baka may kulang pa, which I'm hoping na yun, kasi kailangan nilang either maka-defend sa burst ng Johto Gaming or Puck is the next pick. Na si Puck magaling talaga mag-initiate to. I think this is a good pick coming out from Phoenix. Against Invoker, pwede din. Kaya din ni Puck makipaglaban kay Invoker. And with the Puck, you have a much better initiation along with the Earthshaker. Tapos mukhang mahihirapan. Kailangan, at least ngayon, makita na natin na yung Johto Gaming, they need to silence Puck. They need to use that Skyrath Mage to silence Puck.
Yeah.
And that'll leave the Omni Slash to
I'm here.
Hmm.
I think
So
a Puck
Chow.
and an Earthshaker is a very, very good combo. Kasi with that combo,
Yeah, yun yung sinabi
Earthshaker
ko.
doesn't need to initiate first. Puck can go in, blink in, silence, get the Dream Coil, and ES can just do a follow-up. The problem is the Skyrath. Mahirap talaga pag may Skyrath eh. Kaya,
Feeling ko binit nila to kasi na nakita mo ng may Puck na siya 'di ba siya may kailangan may silence. It leaves Juggernaut to use his Omni. Which yun talaga kailangan gawin ni Juggernaut, 'di ba? Mag-Omni lang.
well, Sa umpisa,
Yung team
Omni
fights at
lang.
least.
Pero pagdating ng
Oo,
late game, pag
sa
ito,
umpisa.
hampas, boom, boom, boom. Alam mo naman yan si Jog, di ba?
Makikita naman natin. At least may sustain sila kung may Jack. Mukhang pipili nila ang Ogre Magi. Man, ito may nerf to daan ngayon eh. Nilower nila yung cast range ng first skill niya. Pero malakas pa rin against Earthshaker, Puck, Vengeful Spirit. Since kailangan mo para kay Puck is talaga lockdown. Kailangan mo siya i-stun na i-stun. Chain stuns is the key.
Yeah,
para
chain
matalo si
stuns
Puck.
is the key. And pero yun nga, may silence eh. It's really the silence. And then you have the follow-up Sunstrike. And you have the Centaur Warrunner. Kaya mahirap talagang kalaban yan. The good thing about Phoenix's lineup is that Vengeful and Earthshaker are very, very versatile roaming supports. They can stun, minus armor, and do damage. So, mahihirapan din kung hindi makaka-react ka agad itong Jodo Gaming.
Pero ang gusto ko sa Jodo Gaming, tignan mo yung nila, heroes nila, ang titibay. Except for Skyrath, syempre, and Moonvoker. Pero Centaur, Warrunner, Ogre Magi, matibay yan. Hindi madaling patayin yan. Maybe that's where the minus armor comes into play. Pero mukhang tignan natin kung ano mangyari.
Let's see who... Looks like they banned the Lycan. And now a Doom. Wala pang carry ito. So who do you think...
Templar Assassin.
Which carry would they get?
Templar Assassin.
So
Templar
like
Assassin.
An offlane Puck and then a mid Templar.
Offlane Puck, yeah. Mid Templar. Either of the two. Basta tri-lane nila is Vengeful or Shake Juggernaut.
Yeah, actually magandang try yan kasi pag na-block ni ES, stunny Vengeful,
deads.
Instant deads. Kahit Centaur pa yun, patay yun.
So, the way you wanna roll things out is depende. Depende pa rin kung paano nililane to. Kasi Skyr and Ogre is still pretty good pa rin. Carry na lang ang inaantay ng Jodo Gaming. Anong pinaka pwedeng gamiting carry dito, Chow?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Kasi they banned the Doom. I can't really think of a carry except Weaver who would require a Doom being banned. And it's a Slark.
Slark
wow, yeah.
there. I like that Slark pick. Alright.
Okay, here we go. Jodo Gaming versus Phoenix, A4 Tech. This is the semifinals of Joda. Okay, Chewy, ako cameraman. So,
alright, guys.
And the pause, wow.
And the pause coming up from Earthshaker. So, let's start with the team introductions. I'll go ahead with Phoenix. On the Vengeful Spirit, we have Xial.
Yeah.
Xial, I'm not sure exactly. Xial. And then Haru, heart on Omni, not Omni, Juggernaut, and we have Tony. Is that Tony on Earthshaker, Tony, and Ivanova on the Templar Assassin and the ever elusive Puck, played by Jayo.
And for Jodo, we have Swaggy E using the Ogre Magi. We have QWR playing as Invoker.
Quicker.
We have Hyper PRG around kill being used by Centaur Warrunner. Supra Mida used by using Skyrath Mage. And we have Theops Baby using Slark. And from the looks of it, oh, they're going for a smoke? Are they going for a smoke? Yeah.
But wala akong makita from the Dire team. Wala akong makita from the Dire team. Can you...
wala akong makita?
Why is it? Wala akong makita. What? My vision is only in the Radiant. Wait lang. Ba't ganito to?
Naka-fog.
What?
Naka-fog yan. And then now, the Dire team moving here. As you can see, they indicated that they're going here. And it looks like they're
Reconnect
going...
lang ako.
Yeah, go ahead, Chubi. And it looks like they're going to contest this pull site and the rune.
30 seconds
I think they were thinking about their opponents being there. The problem is, they're here. They're doing the exact same thing they are doing. And it looks like
Wala
the
pa rin
two
ako
teams-
makita. Ba't ganito to?
The two teams are...
Why is it like this?
Why don't you restart your Dota 2?
Alright, sige, wait lang ha.
So, mukhang magkikita sila sa mid lane. Magkikita ba sila? Hindi. The ward spots Slark. Fuck.
Okay.
Damn. I love my coke. So it looks like we have a Quas Invoker at mid versus a TA. Honestly, a Quas Invoker mid, honestly for me, I think lugi na siya from TA. The refract and she can just farm away. Like what you guys can see now. Here we have an off-lane Puck versus a tri-lane top. Itong tri-lane top, mahirapan sila. Hindi nila ito mapapatay basta-basta kasi yun na nga, Puck is very makulit. Di ba, Chubby? Makulit tong Puck na to eh. But
Makulit yung na yan. Pero sa simula mo, kaya pa yan.
pero ito si Centaur, ewan ko. If he plays his cards right, hindi naman siya mapapatay.
Pero yung sa mid nga, mukhang mahihirapan actually si TA para sa akin. Kasi once may EMP na yun, ubusin niya lang yung mana nun. So wala nang refract.
Pero Chubby, a level 1
Kaya niya lang
a
i-last hit.
level 1 EMP is not that strong. Last hits pa lang, lugi na si Invoker kasi tingnan mo. Look at the lane. If you look at mid,
Walang
talo na.
nga naman, wala naman damage yun.
Walang damage si Invoker. Kaya mahirapan si Invoker. See?
I think he was expecting a Puck, no, at mid.
Boom! See, look at that. Invoker having a hard time. Here we have the anti-pull placed by the center. Very well played. And it looks like they're going to fight for the runes. Yeah, they are. Wow.
With a new patch talaga.
Phoenix is controlling the rune. ES is going mid. And he is not spotted out by any ward. So it looks like they're gonna go for this. Oh, Chubby, what happened?
What?
Your mic just went. So, sumabugbag mic mo, ang lakas. Okay na.
sorry.
Boom!
Okay na ba?
And
Okay.
it's still super loud, Chubby. Ang sakit sa tenga.
Ayan. I can see everyone na.
Yeah, but Chubby,
What happened?
your mic.
What my mic?
It's sabog.
Hello?
Sabog mic mo.
Gosh.
Lower it. So it was a fail gank at mid. The ES could not land the Fisher properly. Here we are
Hello,
on top.
Mr. Chow.
Super sabog pa rin, Tubes.
Super sabog pa rin?
Super sabog.
Wait lang.
Grabe. Hinaan mo yung
shucks.
Hinaan.
Wait lang.
Okay, so now we look at top. Slark with 18 last hits in the 3-minute mark. I think that's a pretty good CS done by
Hello.
Slark.
Eto,
there.
okay na?
Yeah,
Okay na?
perfect.
Oh, there we go.
Juggernaut with 4.
Alright.
And Juggernaut picks
I
up.
can see everyone now. Wow, you're right. This mid lane. Mukhang hirap na hirap nga si Quas Invoker.
Quaswex Invoker. May hirapan talaga yan
Quaswex
sa
Invoker,
Templar.
mahirapan talaga yan.
Oh, kasi wala naman siyang damage eh. Wala rin siyang DPS. So, as you can see now, he's defensive. Even the skill he got is Ghost Walk. TA is dominating the lane. If we look at the gold, not much, wala naman masyadong advantage yung gold.
Yeah, malaki.
For tech. 400 pa lang.
Pero yung advantage sa mid is sobrang in favor of ano na.
Yeah, kasi
Phoenix.
and the rune control. ES and
Rune control.
Templar making sure they get the runes. Invoker so helpless at mid. Pero then again, Slark is keeping the team alive.
Slark is top.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Slark is keeping
Slark is
them
top
alive.
is the top.
Wow, very strange item by Puck. Puck picks up an
Orb
Orb of
of Venom.
Venom. Wow, very
Looks like he
strange
wants to
pickup.
harass.
How will
It's
he
a harassment.
How would he harass in
Yeah,
this
that's true.
tri-lane? Kasi may silence to eh. May silence to. Pag siya na-stun ni Ogre, tapos na-silence, wala na siya, patay na siya.
Oh, what is Puck doing? What is Puck doing? Oh.
If you look down at bottom, center Warrunner only level 3 while Puck is already at his level 4. Not much difference, but then in terms of last hits, Puck is in favor.
Yeah, net worth is basically the same actually, yung tinignan ko. Pero lang. Pero mga may tranquils na to, and looks like it's stacked here. You know. And nakita niya na yun, oh. Nakita ni Centaur, oh. May stack dito. So they're looking to give Juggernaut more farm, I think.
It's either Juggernaut or the TA, because TA can still get it.
No, I think it's Juggernaut. Juggernaut has more clear yung ano niya, yung spin niya. Mas maka-clear siya ng creeps. It looks like lane Earthshaker trying to find the opening here. And also wants to stack this. Chow, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, dead air, bro. Oh, mid lane. Oh, yan na.
And then an EMP, but the EMP does not land.
It misses. Oh, top lane. Mukha ito na ang first blood, mga kaibigan.
Ito
Patay si Puck.
at namatay. Yun yung sinasabi ko, the silence and the stuns. Ito talaga yung papatay.
Mukhang hindi niya
kay
ilagan
Puck.
Puck.
Ito na, pumapasok si D8. And the fissure, and it looks like Invoker's going down, cool down ang mga skills niya.
Isa pang problema sa mid talaga, mukhang
the stacking
keep going.
done by Team Phoenix. Hindi pa masakit sa Team Jodo ngayon, pero mamaya sasakit na yan. Well, in terms of net worth,
Top lane. Bottom lane. Patay si ano.
Patay si Centaur.
Oh,
But it looks like
si
Jug is going down. Is Jug going to go down?
Oh my gosh! He's so
Jug goes down.
Jug goes down.
Di kinaya ang concussive
Pero
shot.
2 TP rotations coming out from Jodo.
Yeah, and a TP by Centaur at mid. To mid. And
This leaves the top lane open.
yeah,
Puck may be able to farm here.
if you look,
Oh, bottom lane.
whoa, what just happened?
Ano nangyari?
Oh, Earthshaker.
Ano nangyari?
Earthshaker, I think he was picked up here. Wow, 2 teams trading kills here and there. Hindi namin nasusundan.
7 minutes, 5 kills.
Ito si Phoenix nasa top pa din. In terms of individual skill, I
Grabe
think
galawan ni King.
yeah, I think
Grabe galawan ni Templar. Grabe mga kaibigan, kakaiba talaga ang galawan nitong Templar na to. Naharas niya by
ito si Juggernaut silence. Boot stomp, follow up stun,
patay
and
si Juggernaut.
patay.
Hindi na sabi ko. Silence talaga. The Skyrath.
Ito talaga si Skyrath. Siya talaga magda-dominate ng early game nila eh. Especially with the follow-up stuns, di ba?
It looks like... Oh, solid. It looks like they're farming this camp already. Trying to get, I think, Yasha for an agad. Templar Assassin. Mukhang hindi niya pa kaya patayin to.
The EMP on Earthshaker and it misses. Here we still have the Slark free farming top. He already has 59 last hits, while Juggernaut only has 49. And in terms of net worth, Jug is losing by almost 1,000.
Oh, pero Templar Assassin is clearly in the lead.
Yeah.
Medyo malayo. But top. Looks like igagang kulit si Puck. Naghahanda na. Ito na si Skyrath, oh. Oh no, Puck! Isang silence ka lang, patay ka na!
Silence! Kung got it shot, stun!
Patay ka!
Grabe.
Mahirap to.
Itong Skyrath,
Ganking
Ogre
potential.
Magi, di ba? Grabe sila, masakit yan.
Pero at bottom, mukhang may balak din mag-gank. Itong si ES with his vengeful spirit. Pero mukhang naramdaman ni Centaur, kaya nag-back off siya ng onte.
Actually, Chubby,
Grabe yung support sila, no?
kanina pa ako nagtataka kasi may A4 Tech yung name nila, oh. May A4 Tech. Does this mean they are sponsored by A4 Tech? Here we go, a Fissure!
Ay, Malibu.
And it looks like Juggernaut gets trapped and he's going
Hindi na.
down. The Fissure blocks Juggernaut's escape route.
Ano nangyari?
Pumasok si Ogre with the slow. Mamatay and Vengeful goes down.
Even Vengeful goes down. So,
Puck at
Puck
bot.
chasing after,
Silence.
The
Will we
Skyrath
see
stun.
another kill
Stun,
here?
where's the stun? Wala nang silence.
Oh, he stuns the
Dream coil.
ES.
Oh my gosh, the
Triple Dream Coil. Does he have the damage? Juggernaut's here to follow up.
It is
Omni Slash.
Juggernaut Omni.
Face Boots is not enough.
it's
Can
not
he
enough.
chase him? No, he can't chase him.
No,
No,
it
they're
can't.
going for it. And no, it does not
No, they're
work.
not. They're gonna back off.
Wow. What an intense
Pero-
fight.
Pero this is happening na Templar's not even out of the lane. Wala nang fight recap, no?
Oo nga, no, wala.
Wala nang fight recap.
Templar's not out of the lane. But then, Slark is also not out of the lane. And if we look at Slark already has a Midas. And I think he's going for the late game. Kasi siya lang naman talaga yung carry nila,
Yeah.
diba? Siya lang carry nila.
Yes.
Unlike Team Phoenix, ano sila eh? Dalawa sila eh. Jug and Templar. So, mahihirapan sila. They have to make use of this early game advantage. Kasi pagdating ng mid-game, late game, talo na sila.
Wait lang. Smoke gang. Ito na, naghahanap si Jug.
They're not spotted by the
Mahanap si
ward.
Vengeful Spirit.
Ito na, concussive shot,
mahanap si
silence,
Vengeful Spirit.
stun,
Patay na
ignite,
ito.
and double edge. Jug here, he spins, Fissure,
Pumasok si Jug.
double
That
Dream
Dream
Coil,
Coil, but here comes the EMP.
Templar, TP's bottom, Templar, contesting the Invoker.
Templar, making the plays. Patay na si Invoker. Patay na si Invoker.
Here's
Boom.
Slark loses the fight.
Pero that healing ward doing work.
And Slark goes
Healing ward
back.
doing work, guys. Look, natalo Jodo sa clash na yun, bro. Mga kaibigan. 4-0. Puck manages to escape.
Looks like they're still looking to
So,
kill.
masyado.
Looks like they're still looking to kill. A swap.
The swap. Stun.
They're waiting for his dark pack.
That leap in.
They're waiting for his dark pack. Can they find him?
Mukhang hindi siya
They see
nakikita.
him.
Ayun, nakita na siya.
Oh,
my
and
God.
in a backup
Mukhang
comes
patay si
in.
Puck.
And Puck
Patay
goes
si Puck.
down. Slark in safety.
Slark lives.
Sa
Nice
totoo
juke
lang,
by Puck. Ano,
Chubby,
Slark?
itong Slark, they didn't want to stun him. Only for the reason
Kasi they were waiting for the dark pack.
Yeah.
Mawala lang yung stun.
Well played
I agree.
by Tiops baby. And here we have Ogre, and he wards it.
Aggressive ward there. What a ward.
Oh,
may
and
kita siya
another
dito.
kill. Oh, and an Omni Slash. Oh, and it goes. And it goes. The neutral creeps. Oh, ignite. Looks like Slark wants to initiate. Will Slark get the kill?
Looks like binake
Slark
nila.
ulti.
Dream Coil.
Dream Coil. The stun misses
The
and
stun coming
magic
out.
missile. Swap.
Nice.
And
Nice
Slark
swap.
going down and Slark goes down.
Slark is dead. That was so close.
That was so sexy.
Medyo exciting, guys. Fight recap. May fight recap pa pala.
Yeah, so if we
Yung mo
see
isang-
the fight recap, it looks like Slark changed his power threads 3 times and wow, another
Looks like-
kill.
Wow. Nagwawala itong si Unova. Templar Assassin. Sobra. Magdedeso na siya. Magdedeso na siya, mga kaibigan.
Ito na, TA pumapasok slow.
Nag-slow. Oh,
Walang
yan ang,
green coil,
yan ang
and they
rotation.
baited it out. Wow. 4-man TP.
And
Everyone is at
and the
mid.
ward.
Everyone
Except
is
for
at
this
mid.
guy.
No, I mean everyone in the dire team is going mid.
Oh, yeah. Mukhang they're ready to fight. Handa na sila lumaban. At
I don't understand why
I
they
don't
wanna
think
fight.
they should.
Yeah, they shouldn't. Center doesn't have his ulti yet.
Yun nga, eh.
Fisher, oh!
Oh,
And
the stun
Centaur
coming
is
out.
trapped inside.
The stun coming out. He's trapped inside. Oh my gosh! Na-juke niya! Na-juke niya!
Juke.
Na-juke niya! He's stuck! He's stuck!
No one can see him. Centaur with the stun.
Oh, he blinked it!
Oh! Silence and Puck is going down. ES goes down with the Echo Stab
Oh,
before
nice
he
echo.
dies. TA chasing down heroes. Looks like TA killed the Invoker while we weren't watching.
Mukhang still in favor of Phoenix from the kills. Sobrang lakas na ng TA nito with the Deso. Kita mo naman yung pag-push niya sa lane. Grabe, oh.
We have
And
a 9,000.
meanwhile at top.
We have a 9,000 network Templar Assassin as of 16-minute mark, and she already has 10,000 gold farmed up. Mga kaibigan, ang bilis ng farm nito. Grabe,
Ganito mag-TA, mga kaibigan. Oh, mukhang mga ano pa sila, mag-roshan pa sila. Making use of that DD. Tignan mo naman yung bawas niya, oh.
And the best part is walang wards
Almost
ang Team
700
Jodo.
damage.
Walang wards ang Team
Almost
Jodo
700
dito.
damage per hit to.
Looks
Mukhang makukuha niyo to
they
na
get a
libre,
free
mga
Aegis.
kaibigan.
Free Aegis.
Team Phoenix. Team Phoenix. Looking good at game 1.
Still anyone's game. The Slark, he still has his
Yes.
items. Slark has a Blink Dagger. I mean, he has no damage yet, so why would he buy a Blink Dagger? But then, who am I to
Hindi,
question that?
mobility yan, mobility. Mobility
Hindi
yan,
kasi,
mobility.
you would get a Blink Dagger on Slark pag lugi kayo early game eh. Hindi eh. They had the early game advantage. Dapat straight na siyang late game item.
Eh, siya yung pro.
Siya
Pero
yung
tignan
pro.
natin kung anong gagawin
Casting
naman.
lang tayo.
Siya yung pro.
Siya yung pro. Cast lang tayo. Oh! And a
fuck.
3-man coil.
3-man coil!
3-man coil.
Here
He
comes
goes
ano.
in.
Oh,
Fissure.
grabe! DPS is real!
And it looks like Ogre goes down.
And the
Oh!
Omni Slash!
Omni Slash.
Omni Slash coming in for ano?
Will Puck go
Not enough
down?
to kill though.
Puck go down.
And
Puck blinks
oh, the
out.
stun!
Double stun.
Oh! Oh!
Ito na mga kaibigan.
And the stun! Grabe! Grabe ang DPS ni TA, mga kaibigan. Mukhang mamamatay din si Skyrath Mage.
Boom! Fissure
And one hit.
wow.
One hit. Ultra kill.
Oh, and it looks like
And Puck lives.
no, Puck even killed the Slark while we weren't looking.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
Mga kaibigan, ang lupit ng Team Phoenix.
and they still have the Aegis, mga kaibigan. Kaya it brings me back to that question, are they sponsored by A4 Tech?
Kasi kung sponsored sila, grabe ah. Medyo
I would
kinalad
understand.
tayo, chow, na makakita ng ganitong team.
Oo nga eh. This team
Mga
was,
viewers natin sa mga...
This team was made for amateurs. You are not amateurs. Oh!
Sponsored team sila eh. Oh!
And a blink
he
in
missed.
by Centaur.
Oh, he's still going for it.
Oh,
pero
and a BKB!
Oh my gosh!
Boom!
That burst!
That burst damage.
Pumutok!
Looks like TA is looking to push the middle tier 2 tower. Centaur
And
wants to
the-
stun. Will Centaur get the stun? And the stun! Oh my god, so much stuns! But yes, the AGs, I think
Mukhang
TA
sinadya
wanted
nila
to
yun.
die.
Sinadya nila yun.
I think TA wanted to die. Center goes down. TA
Hindi
goes
ganun.
in. TA doing the damage,
Oh.
doing the right clicks.
Oh
TA
my
brings
gosh,
down
guys.
Invoker and now Ogre. TA
That's a 4 to
hitting
nothing.
everyone.
Oh,
TA,
that swap.
boom. And a slow.
Goodness gracious.
And
Ay, patay. This is really looking bad for Jodo. This is game 1. Jodo Gaming.
Jodo Gaming
All of them
showing,
have Blink Daggers.
showing formidable skill in the last 2 games. But now they have finally found their opponents. Team Phoenix A4 Tech, mga kaibigan. Ito talaga si Innova. Malakas siya.
Oh, they call it.
And the Team
We call the
Jodo
GG.
calls the GG. Is this the GG?
And Team Phoenix wins game 1. It is.
Wins game 1. Wow.
Alright. Grabe ang
Well
TA.
played, mga kaibigan. The
Well
TA,
played, mga
The
kaibigan.
TA. The TA. The TA.
Yung TA lang talaga eh. Ang galing.
Grabe.
The 0 deaths, bro. Hindi siya namatay. Ni isang beses hindi siya namatay.
Grabe. Nagulat ako.
Okay, guys.
Chubby, don't worry. We can still be heard. So, Chubby, recap. Where did they lose? Where did they lose in that game?
Mahirap din sabihin eh. Obviously, they lost at mid. Ang dapat sigurong ginawa nila is, nag-rotate yung heroes sa mid. Kasi isa hindi nag-rotate eh.
Sa bagay. Mahirap naman talaga mag-rotate. Pero they could have. Kasi you have the cold snap, you have the chains, you have the stun and the silence. Sayang talaga. But they wanted Slark to farm. Pero it was not enough. TA got to farm. Doon sila nagkamali.
And the stacking apparently of Team Phoenix, sobrang efficient lang.
Yes, exactly. Yung stacking nila, grabe.
Sobrang efficient.
It gave the Juggernaut and the TA the farm they needed that they couldn't get in the lanes. But TA got more farm than she needed. Did you see that 16-minute Deso and Ayasha with the face?
Deso and Yasha. Sobrang nakakatakot lang kapag ganun klase ng farm kalaban. And looks like we're ready for game 2, guys.
Yeah, we're going for game 2.
Medyo action-packed. I'm hoping na sana manalo naman Jodo ngayon.
Yeah, para
Sana
magka-game
naman,
3. Sana magka-game 3.
Oh. Magagaling kasi tong teams na to and it's sad to see them go talaga. Lalo na pag magaling. Lalo na sa competition natin na to. Medyo amateur competition lang to eh. Pero siniswerte tayo na ganito ka-high level ang mga teams na natira.
Nasumali, Chubby.
Nasumali.
Looks like we have 10 viewers on our stream, Chubby. We have 10 viewers on our stream. Shout out na lang to
Hi, hello viewers.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. It's like they're gonna ban Viper muna. No, I wanna see a Faceless Void.
10 seconds
Pamili, just once lang. Huwag niyo i-ban si Faceless. Sige na, Jodo Gaming. Huwag mo i-ban si Faceless. I-ban niyo si TA. Oh, di ban Panda.
Dire team ban.
Well, Panda is really painful. I mean, imagine a Panda mid. Early game, if he gets his Blink Dagger, sakit. Masakit siya.
Mahirap din labanan si Panda unless you have, a good silence or Doom. Pero, it all depends if you get him. Kaya mahirap nga kalaban talaga si Panda. Pero Phoenix, A4 Tech. Shucks, i-check nga natin profile nito mga to. Mamaya, i-check natin profile nila.
Go, Chubby.
Mukhang sponsored eh.
You go check it out.
Ha?
You go check it out because I I need to stay here. If I check their
Oh, sige.
profile, everyone watching the stream will see their profiles, and we can't have that happen, Chewy. Can't have that happen.
Okay guys. Mukhang experience nga kasi may nag-search ako ng Phoenix A4 Tech. Mukhang kasali sila sa mga NPGL. And they are
Okay.
not rookie teams. They are this is an experienced team we're looking at.
So what are they doing here? What are they doing here, mga kaibigan?
Ano yan? Ano yung pinagsasabi nila? Hindi ko makita eh. Wala lang.
And they banned the Sand
Radiant
King.
team banned.
They banned the Sand King, I think.
Pick.
And they picked Venge. Venge
Radiant
again.
team pick.
Alam mo,
Wow, they picked Venge again.
mukhang gusto talaga nila ng Vengeful Spirit. Mga kaibigan.
Omni-Knight.
Ano yung
Phantom
sabi nila?
Assassin.
Pre-aral ka pa ng
Dire team pick.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko maintindihan, kapatid.
Apparently, people are fighting in our Twitch. It's very sad. Guys, chill lang kayo dyan. Wag kayo mag-away. Lahat tayo, tao lang dito. Oh, and a Batrider pick, finally.
Dire team
It's the first time I've seen a Batrider pick. I don't
Oh,
know about the
Phantom
other games.
Assassin.
I like,
Johto Gaming, they really want to win this.
yeah, they're
This
going...
is a combo that has a really high win rate.
Well, syempre
napakataas ang
naman,
win rate nitong combo na to.
Pag blink in ni Phantom,
Phantom Assassin Omni Knight.
silence.
10 seconds
And she has the early
remaining.
BKB. Kaya masakit talaga yan.
5
Pero this is a
seconds
good pick
remaining.
coming from Phoenix A4 Tech. Alam nila na lusot sa repel actually ang SS ni
Radiant
Bad Rider.
team banned.
Pero still, mahirap din i-counter tong ano na to.
Dire team
And they look to
banned.
counter this.
Radiant team banned. Radiant team pick.
Wait lang, tubes. Wait lang, guys. I will just take a piss, okay? Chill lang muna kayo. Chill lang.
So they banned the Razor and the... They banned the Faceless. Sayang, gusto ko makita si Faceless. Mukhang Shadow Shaman pipiliin ng kalaban natin mga kaibigan. Na Shadow Shaman gives a good lockdown from the Bat Rider. Sige, ako bahala sa'yo, bro. Tapos,
10 seconds remaining. Shadow Demon. Radiant team pick.
Turn up the lights.
dang, Shadow Demon is the pick for A4 Tech. Phoenix.
Chubi, rinig ba yung
I actually
aircon?
like this Shadow Demon pick.
Rinig aircon.
Hindi, rinig ko sarili ko, bro. Rinig ko sarili ko.
What? You can hear yourself?
Kanina. Oh, parang niload mo ata yung videos na rinig
10
ko.
seconds
Ay, hindi.
remaining.
No, I put my headphones beside the mic. Sorry.
5 seconds
Okay. Narinig ko sarili ko. Ayun, oh, I can hear myself.
Reserve time.
What? Really?
What?
Now, can you hear
Oh.
yourself? Can you hear yourself now?
Oo, rinig ko pa rin.
What the fuck? Why? Why?
Ay, hindi. Gagi ako yung nag-load.
Ah, you loaded your, your Twitch. Chubi
Oo.
naman eh.
Ang bobo ko. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Sorry mga kaibigan sa mga viewers natin. Kababuhan ko lang yun. Pagminin niyo na po.
So now we have 14 viewers. Hello, everyone. Hello. I can't see your chat though. I don't know why. My net is really, really slow since I am streaming it. Ay.
So nakita mo tong Shadow Demon pick nito, Chow. Medyo defensive din to eh. kunyari tatalon si Phantom Assassin, mayroong Shadow Demon na yun. Also, pag may Shadow Shaman, pag nagsashackle siya, ano lang siya, i-disrupt lang siya ni Shadow Demon. So we're looking at a good counter here from a Phoenix A4 tech. But I'm still skeptical since Phantom Assassin napakalakas mag-burst din. And Death Prophet
and
coming
the
up for
Death
Johto
Prophet
Gaming.
Pick. Looks
This
like
is the first time I've seen the
Templar
Death Prophet in
Assassin.
this competition.
because
And
Death,
Phoenix once again,
Brilliant team pick.
Death
once
Prophet.
again goes for a Templar
Oh,
Assassin,
wait.
guys.
What? Really? Oh my god, are you serious?
Oo.
Ah!
Mukhang confident sila sa kanilang Templar Assassin. Pero mukhang mahihirapan din actually si Templar Assassin
10
kay
seconds
Death Prophet.
remaining.
You know naman what they
Sa late
say.
game yun.
Don't fix
5
what's
seconds
not
remaining.
broken. Diba?
Tama. Tama.
Reserve time.
I mean, if they're winning by this much, I mean, grabe kasi yung last game, Chubby, you have to admit.
Dire team bad.
Sobrang kinain lang nila talaga ang Johto Gaming. Mukhang first time atang nangyari sa Johto Gaming to. So they like to bounce back from a bad game. Just nahihirapan lang talaga. Okay naman yung draft nila pero they just got outfarmed and outplayed.
Yeah, kasi
5 seconds remaining.
kita mo naman yung ES, he wasn't really staying at bot. He was just
Reserve
roaming.
time.
Oo nga. So, I'm hoping for the same rotations for Johto Gaming. Pero mukhang wala silang pang room eh. Looks like they just wanna stay in the lane. Although, may isang pick pa sila. So, you never know. Mukhang binan nila ang Centaur. Sa tingin mo, sino pipili ng Johto Gaming na yun? Now that they know that they have to fight, they have to counter this Templar Assassin. Although earn lang naman sana ang katapat ni Templar.
Now I
Kailangan mo
realize,
pa shutdown yung
Chubby,
farm niya.
if you look at the first ban of Phoenix, it's Viper, the perfect counter for Templar.
Yeah, exactly.
10 seconds remaining.
Pero sino kaya ang pipili ng Johto Gaming? Doom is the next pick. Doom is a good counter against any hero,
okay.
syempre.
Doom is a good -1 character. Once he gets someone doomed, wala na siya magagawa sa Clash unless mataban siya. Pero judging from
exactly.
Phoenix's lineup, most of them are based from skills. Like their strengths are not utilized unless magamit nila skills sila.
Magsa-skill sila. Well, depends pa. My last pick pa ang Ace Phoenix A4 Tech.
10
And I think
seconds
they want to be able to
remaining.
fight off without the Doom. Without one, at least -1.
5
Depende pa.
seconds remaining.
Or kung pwede, sustain man lang para kahit lumalaban habang naka-Doom. Depende. Depende kung paano nila i-roll to.
Sa totoo lang, Chubby, wala rin yan sa lineup. Don't forget, it's in the place din.
10
Oh,
seconds
and
remaining.
Piranha is the next last pick.
Piranha is the... Oh! It's the Khabib!
Uy!
Chubby!
Mukhang Khabib ang gagawin ng Phoenix.
Khabib! Makakakita tayo ng Khabib! Oh, yes! Oh,
Gagawa
yes!
natin siya.
Khabib!
Okay mga kaibigan.
Eto na, the retard casting.
Salamat sa sa Phoenix A4 Tech para pinili nila ang Mirana at Shadow Demon. Excited na po kami.
Excited
Na-cast
kami.
ng game na to.
Grabe!
Ten seconds remaining.
Mukhang matagal-tagal lang pag-iisip ng Phoenix A4 Tech kung paano nila ayusin ang lanes nila. So, ciao! I'll start with the introductions first. For Johto, we have
Battle.
the ops. Hindi ko mabasa. Ikaw na nga lang.
For Johto, we have
Ikaw na nga lang
Theops
sa
Daily.
idiot.
For Shadow Shaman, we have Supramida. For Omni Knight, we have Swaggy E. For Death Prophet, we have Quack. And for Doom, we have PRGO Around Kill.
And for the Dire, for Team Phoenix, we have Tony on the Shadow Demon, Haru on the bottom, and Shal on the Vengeful Spirit once again, and Innova on his really strong Templar Assassin, as well as Jayo on the Batrider.
Ito na,
Mukhang
Chubby.
magkakitaan to, mga
Oo,
kaibigan.
mukhang
Mukhang
magkakakitaan.
to.
30 seconds
And
to
it looks
go.
like
Mukhang
Kabim.
magkakitaan to.
May Kabim
Ito
to.
na, mga kaibigan.
And they back off. They back off.
Ay,
They back
mukhang
off.
they back off. Nakita nila.
Haha. Paano niya nakita?
Mukhang aggressive.
Wala. Aggressive tri-link
May baka
top.
dito.
Aggressive
Dito,
tri-link
dito.
top sila. Kukontest ba yung
And
rune?
Death Prophet.
The battle
Hindi niya
begins.
kinontest.
Mukhang aggressive trial sa bottom. Medyo nakakatakot din to Nag-aabang sila
If you look,
They're
they
waiting
have
for
this
someone
whole
to go
thing
here.
warded. They have this whole thing warded.
Kasi alam nilang kaya nilang pumatay with a Kabim. Sigurado yun.
Syempre may
Sigurado
follow-up
yun.
stun pa nga
Tapos, tapos kung makita nila isa sa mga hero na to, mukhang nahihirapan sila. And I'm surprised to see na Johto Gaming. Walang wards rado. Looks like a smoke coming
Oh,
out
and
from...
a smoke. Oh, it's an offlane
Looks like they
Mirana.
wanna kill mid.
They're planning to kill mid. Wow, such an early stage. But they can. That's the best part. They can. And they will. Here we go. Quick.
Eto na!
Ito na ba?
Kwe.
Oh, and the disruption.
Incoming! Here comes the stun!
The stun and
Is it enough? Yes! First blood na to.
first blood
First
goes
blood.
to Tony.
First blood to Phoenix.
Well played to Phoenix. Grabe talaga itong team na to. Chubby, what can you say about the Phoenix A4 tech right now? What can you
And
say?
it looks like top lane. Mukhang mapapatay din si Doom. Ay, hindi. Muntikan lang, mga kaibigan. Shackles coming in.
Shackles, is it enough?
Oh,
A
not enough
disruption.
burst. Kabim!
Boom! It
Ay,
did that!
sayang.
Boom! And Phoenix,
Pero they kill off the Shadow Demon.
Phoenix Tony goes down. Ito na si Haru tumatakbo and he backs off. Well played by Team Joda.
Sayang ng Kabim.
Sayang yung Kabim. Medyo nataranta
Sayang.
lang si Mr. Haru doon. But it's all good.
Sa totoo lang, medyo medyo mali nga na dumaan siya dito Sana umikot na lang siya. Kasi expose siya ng ganun
We have Omni Knight.
Getting
It's
the
very
rune here.
strange by Phoenix. Yung mga wards nila, it does not cover any of the runes.
Defensive ward coming out from Omni here. Ato para in case may gank galing dito. Makikita niya.
If you look at top, it looks like Batrider and Doom are pretty much equal. In fact, Doom has more last hits than him, but we can't blame that kasi as a Devour. Oh, and another smoke by Disruptor and Vengeful.
Nako, problema to.
Are they going for mid or for bot? It looks like they're going for mid.
They're going for mid. Malaking problema to, mga kaibigan. Ay, hindi. Mukhang they're going for top. Or the wraparound. They might go for the wraparound, guys. Yes, they will. Ito na, mga kaibigan. They look to shut down the...
Ito
Oh,
na.
no!
Disruption!
Disruption!
We have the stun!
Oh,
Boom! The
patay
damage!
to.
That damage! The
Grabe ang damage, mga kaibigan.
Disruption,
Soul
Soul Catcher, and wala pang wave of terror yun. Wala pang wave of
Stun.
terror.
Oh,
Wala pang wave of terror. Well, you can't blame the
Grabe
Venge.
sila, mga kaibigan.
Venge doesn't even have her third skill. Grabe, ang sakit ng combo na to. We thought we were going to see a Kabim. We see something
Mukhang ano pala.
that hurts so much more. It looks like they want to contest mid again. Will they get spotted by the wards?
May ward siya.
My
May
wards.
ward siya, may ward
My
siya.
wards.
Nakita niya.
Kita si
May
Shal
wards.
at it looks like they back off.
But they look to apply tuloy.
Apply.
Apply. Apply.
Apply.
Chinese na pala ako.
Hindi, hapon nga. Apply.
Oh, na-apply.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Carvajal desu ne. Oh, and Templar gets the regen rune. Wow. despite having no wards in the... Well, both teams have no wards on the runes. Looks like they just want to go for intuition and securing the rune. Chubby, talk! Chubby, when I stop talking, you talk. Chubby
Top lane,
naman.
top lane. Sorry.
Oh, and a firefly! Oh, will Batrider get this kill?
Mamamatay si Doom!
And Doom goes down! Well played by Gio. King at bot, back to their tri lane. They realize that they can't gank mid anymore because of this beautiful ward by Omni. Swaggy E with that beautiful ward. Looks like they're looking for another kill here.
Ito ang Kabim, mga kaibigan.
Oh!
Disruption! Ito na!
Wow! Kabim! Oh, and the heal! Mapapatay ba nila to? Mapapatay ba nila? At hindi nila mapapatay! Si Haru! Shackle! And he lets go of the shackle! Wow! Grabe! Sayang
Nice
yung
save
Kabim!
from Jodo.
Sayang
Kahit
yung Kabim!
Hindi kaya.
Hindi
Nice
kinaya
repel
ng
pa rin.
Kabim. Ito
Pero
mid!
middle lane.
Nagda-dive
Ang
and
mamamatay si
Innova
Red Prophet.
gets another kill.
Innova. Grabe to, grabe. Grabe lang.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Napapagod ako, Chow. Grabe.
This TA pick is very, very dominant. I mean,
Dire's
grabe, 2 games in a row.
under attack.
Dapat nga, binan na talaga nila yan eh. Kung malaman lang nila.
Oh, and then another smoke by Team Phoenix. Tignan naman natin kung saan sila pupunta. This
Mga
time,
middle lane
Chubby.
ulit, mga kaibigan.
Chubby, this time they have a smoke, so they can go here. Oh, and it looks like they're gonna spot out.
Ang middle lane, magkakitaan! Magkakitaan! Uy, nagkita!
Oh! Exort and a disruption. Hahabulin niya ito. And it looks like they're gonna fight.
Mamamatay
The
ito.
stun, boom!
Oh no!
And
Oh
bench
my
goes
gosh.
down.
Phoenix.
Sinabihan na ata ni Innova no
Natalo na naman ang
lumaban.
mid.
Sinabihan si Innova na sige, laban na lang.
Is under attack.
Anyways, Bench is a support.
Total, hindi sila lugi dun.
Hindi sila lugi
Oh.
dun.
Tama. Pero top, looks like Ujodo is losing every lane. I'm guessing for siguro last hits lang. Pero mukhang talo pa rin.
Well, in
Yops,
terms of
baby.
gold.
Still only third.
Oh, and then a stun. Will they get a kill?
Its middle tower is
Looks
under
like they
attack.
won't.
Looks like they
3
won.
top. PA is all alone at bot. They can do
Nang
something
napansin
here.
mo sa sa lineup ng Jodo, medyo defensive as compared to offensive na
Yeah, because
And middle lane,
middle lane.
Innova.
Innova
for
going in again. Innova with the
mamamatay
right
naman
clicks. One more and
Oh my
Death
gosh.
Prophet goes down again.
Oh my gosh, Innova.
Nova!
Ganito mga kaibigan kung paano maglaro
Nova.
ng PA.
Nova! It looks like they're gonna kill
Nova.
Doom. And they did not.
Mukhang hindi naman.
Ayaw nila. Nova! Here we go! Are they going for the Kabim?
Oh, Kabim!
Kabim! Kabim! Oy! It
isa.
missed! It missed! Oh, and
TP. Just like that.
Yops, baby. Well
Sayang.
played. Sayang yung
Kung
Kabim.
tumama lang yun. Sayang yung Kabim. Haru, missing that. Missing that. It was close though.
Actually, Haru...
Ito na naman tayo.
Haru was a little bit delayed. So, he decided to advance it. He expected her to go back, but
Oh,
she
yeah.
didn't go back. Well played din kay PA. Well played kay PA. And then
And
a
the
pause.
boss coming up from Tony.
Okay. What's bottom ba? Why do you call a priestess of the moon?
Priestess of the Moon.
Okay, I get it now. I've always wondered why do they call
Dota
Mirana
1 pa yan.
Bottom? Bottom. Oh yeah, by the way, to the spectators who are wondering why this always happens, it's because naka-double screen ako kaya medyo na ano yung camera, so I'm very sorry about that. I have to alt-tab it.
So mga kaibigan, 8 minutes into the game, mukhang as compared to the last game, mas unti ang farm ni Templar Assassin.
Pero
Pero
yun nga.
he has 4 kills already.
And yes, if you look at the net worth,
5k na agad.
5,500 net worth. Chubby, if this keeps going, it's gonna end up like the first game because she had
Yes,
10,000 net worth by 16 minutes. It's 8 minutes and she already has 5,500. It's happening again. If this goes on,
Yes.
matatalo. The only difference is wala silang jug. Don't forget, wala silang jug. Unlike the last game, they had a jug who would inflict the damage with the Omni Slash and the first skill. This time, they have the Bat Rider. Kaya nila mag-1, pero itong Doom, pag ito nagka-dagger na, mahihirapan na rin sila. Madudoom niya itong TA.
Pero mukhang mahirapan pa rin ito si Doombringer since Midas pa lang ang gamit niya. Only at level 6. But I think they look to fun to kill Templar now. I think they can. Siguro isang Doom. Yeah, looks like they're pinging this out a bit. Nakita nila na galing siya dito. Nakita nila na galing siya dito.
Sana po, walang
Medyo
nanonood
matagal
ng
ang busy.
stream. Sana walang nanonood ng stream at sinasabi sa kanila kung saan yung heroes.
Hindi, delayed yan, delayed yan.
No, it's not.
Delayed medyo delayed ng...
I'm watching it. It's like delayed by like 10 seconds lang.
Oh. Mukhang bottom lane. They look to kill. Bottom lane.
Here we go!
Nagkakitaan.
And he disrupts himself. Will
Mukhang
Mirana
patay na
ulti
tong si
and Mirana
Disruptor.
does that ulti. Omni with the
Oh, the
kill.
shackle coming out.
Does he have a follow-up hex? Walang follow-up hex. Papasok ba ito? Hindi. O ito, Chubby, papasok
And that-
at hindi.
And that middle lane. Oh my gosh, he's gonna
Boom!
die again. Oh,
Okay!
shackle.
Oh my god, the
Grabe.
damage! That damage! Oh my
Oh
gulay!
my gosh.
If there was a
Tapos,
Kabim...
for the record
Oo.
nakita nila yun
Oo nga eh.
Pero namatay pa rin.
Hindi niya ata napansin na may blink dagger na ito si Batrider. Kasi ako hindi ko rin napansin eh. Chubby, alam mo ba yun? Hindi ko napansin yun. Ha? Ito na, nagpupush na sila mid. Will bottom
push
hold
sila
out.
mid.
Looks like bottom wants to hold out. Actually, medyo malabot din itong Jodo eh. Kasi they have two carries, the Doom and the PA. So, they're going for a late game. But they have the push potential. And here, pumasok na si PA.
Oh, no crits coming out.
Ulti.
Oh my gosh, minalas sa crit.
Pero he is spotted out by the
Looks like
sentry
they're
ward.
pushing mid.
And they're looking to
pushing
push mid.
bot-
And the
bottom.
arrow hits!
Oh, the arrow, Kabim!
Kabim! Boom! And no Doom! No Doom! No
Haru
mana
making
for
the plays.
Doom. And DE
Vengeful
gets
Spirit going in.
Vetch going
Oh, they're
in.
going for Vengeful Spirit.
The blink, the phantom strike. Blink, the dagger, nag-crit. Ito na mga kaibigan. And the
Oh,
shackle!
the shackles.
And Doom
Mukhang
gets the last.
bumabawi ang Jodo.
Ito
But
naman
the big
yung
priority
Mirana.
kill is still alive.
Nag-blink in. May leap itong Mirana, hindi ginagamit. Hindi ko lang bakit. Gusto niya mag-arrow
Sinisave
eh.
niya.
Gusto niya mag-arrow eh. Problema nila na
Sayang
sila.
regen. Hindi. Pag nakuha na nila to si TA, pag napatay nila to, this is a priority kill. He's getting closer to his deso.
Well, Doom has Doom got an arcane boots. Wow. I don't understand why he would get, but I think it's because his team lacks mana.
I understand. Exactly. Kailangan mana dependent din si Doom. He wants to be able to farm continuously with the Devour.
TA is still pushing top.
Pero they have to contain the CA. Sa totoo lang.
And a mass TP
Ayan
by
na,
Team
nag-TP na.
Jodo.
Mass TP. But that's not the way you do it. Mukhang Phantom Assassin mamamatay sa baba. Nalaman nila na nag-mass TP sa taas kaya iniwan ng Phantom Assassin.
getting
Grabe
the
lang.
farm.
Has come to
TH.
bottom tower.
Sobrang grabe ng farm tong TA na to.
Too bad Shadow Shaman is not yet level 6. He is not able to do his Serpent Ward.
Magle-level 5 pa lang ata si Shadow Shaman, pero mukhang kaya naman nila ata i-push na.
Tower is under attack.
Because the A4 Tech Phoenix don't look to defend this.
Yeah, it looks like they rather push the other lanes. Feeling ko ang gusto
They'd
nila,
rather just
especially
trade.
ang gusto nilang mangyari after they push the lane, they would just contest the TPs kasi magde-def to eh.
Tower is under
Ay
attack.
hindi, magpupush pa. Magpupush pa ang Jodo.
Tower has fallen.
Paunahan ito mag-push mga kaibigan. Will Team Phoenix A4 Tech defend or will they continue their push?
Bottom tower
Walang mga
has
TP ito
fallen.
mga Phoenix eh. Oo nga, mukhang magde-def nga sila, magde-def.
Magde-def sila. So, magantay tayo ng bakbakan mga kaibigan.
Much like
Hindi pa nag-exorcist. Yeah, nag-exorcist na.
And Exorcism. Mukhang mahirapan to. Sino kaya yung kukunin ni Batrider?
Bat
And
Rider!
Batrider
Grabe, ang bilis ng
Death
kuha.
Prophet.
Death Prophet healed
Pero
up.
ang layo ng teammates niya, mukhang naiwan pa si ano. Naiwan pa si Death Prophet, mukhang mamatay si Death Prophet.
Oh my gosh! So much is going on. PA goes down, Doom goes down. PA kills the Death Prophet and kills the Omni Knight.
Guys, team wipe.
Radiant's
Kung
Another
manaisip
team
pero
wipe
team wipe sila.
in favor.
Nakikita mo talaga yung difference ng farm eh.
If you look at the gold,
Radiant's bottom tower
7,600 gold lead by Team Phoenix. Grabe, ang taas ng lead nila.